Hi everyone, Namaste. My name is Ruchika Garg and I am your psycho-spiritual wellness coach. My mission through Conscious Jiva is to help people live a life that is more aware, more awake, a life that is free from your own inner negativity. Okay. Now I made this video because there was a very shocking news today that shocked us all about the suicide committed by the actor, very popular actor Sushant Singh Rajput. So I thought that I should tell everyone what are the signs and symptoms that you can easily detect which show that a person is depressed or which could actually help you prevent somebody committing suicide. Now, the reason I want everyone to know, okay, this is not just for therapists. Each person should know this because if you really think about why does a person commit suicide, okay, I was thinking about this today that a person commits suicide not just randomly. The thought must be going on for a long time. So, what is the deciding factor which triggers a person to commit suicide at a particular point? And I got only one answer in my mind, and the answer was when the last ray of hope is also gone. That is when the person commits suicide. Now, if you really think, what is the last ray of hope for somebody who has no hope in life? It is no material thing, it is no object, it is no money. The last ray of hope is always human connection. That is the power of human connection. Okay? Imagine you could be the last ray of hope for somebody around you who is contemplating suicide, who is depressed but is hiding behind a mask. You never know, you could be that last ray of hope. That is why this is the information that I'm going to give today that you must know so that you can help somebody, you can help anybody that could be depressed, that could actually tell you tomorrow that you know what, you saved my life yesterday. So please pay close attention, and this is very important information that everybody should know. Before even you take a person to a therapist, this is the first thing that you can do yourself, that time itself. So please pay attention. So first let me explain to you the major symptoms of depression. The first and the most important symptom of depression is depressed mood or sad mood, okay, for the entire day. So a person who is under depression is not going to feel happy. That person is going to feel sad, look sad all the time. Now, it's not mandatory that the person has this sadness on his face because people are able to hide depression. Nobody knew Sushant Singh Rajput was going through depression. There was nothing people had apprehended. Okay, so the feeling of sadness is definitely going to be there. The second important symptom of depression is there is a loss of interest in all the activities. So whatever activities gave you pleasure, gave you happiness, you start losing interest in all of them. And that is the reason that people stopped even talking to their friends, people stop talking to their family members. There is social withdrawal. Okay, in terms of your social connectivity, you withdraw. You start locking up yourself in a room, you stop going outside, you stop meeting people, you stop talking to people. This is a major symptom of depression. Another symptom, which may not happen to everybody, is change in appetite. Either you start eating too much and gain weight, or you stop eating properly and you lose weight. And you could also have change in sleep patterns. You start sleeping too much, or you just can't fall asleep. Okay? Now there is another symptom of depression, which is there is a slowing down of thought. Okay, you can't think clearly, brain fog, and there is a slowing down of physical movement. You will see depressed people who are under major clinical depression. You will see that the way they move is very different. They move very slowly. They walk slowly. Their body language is, slouchy, droopy posture. They don't look confident and straight. They will always look this way and sad. Okay. The next symptom is fatigue, which means less energy. A depressed person will always say that I get tired so easily. I am tired all the time. This is a very important, very major symptom of depression. Now, why do people lose energy during depression? I have already covered this in detail and how to get back your energy during depression. I have already made a YouTube video on this, which is called Why Does Depression Drain My Energy? It's already there on my YouTube list. You can go check it out. The next symptom of depression is feeling worthlessness, feeling guilty. Okay, feeling that I am not good enough, or I am, disturbing people all the time with my inside negativity. I am just useless for the world. I am worth nothing. I don't have a career, I don't have relationships, and I am not good enough. Okay, this is the feeling of worthlessness, feeling of guilt that people suffering from depression have. The next symptom of depression is there is a decreased ability to think, to concentrate, or to make effective decisions. Now, people who are depressed will say that, I can't think clearly, my brain is not working, I just don't know what to do in life, I can't understand anything, please help me out. Now, this is a sign of severe depression, because in depression, literally, you can't think clearly. Your brain is throwing signals here and there is no clarity in thought. Now, the next and the final symptom of depression that I'm going to tell you today is for people who have severe depression for a long period of time, who feel that there is no solution and the only way to end all this suffering is to end your life. The last symptom is thoughts of death. They start contemplating that if I end my life, my suffering is going to end. Why? Because otherwise, if I'm living, my suffering is not ending anyway. Let me end my life. So suicidal ideation, thinking of suicide. Okay. So these are the major symptoms of depression. Let me do a very quick recap in 1 minute. The first is depressed mood, looking sad, feeling sad. The second is losing interest in the activities, losing pleasure in the activities that you earlier liked to do. The third is either significant weight gain or weight loss, which means change in appetite, or there is also a change in sleeping pattern, sleeping too less or sleeping too much. The next symptom is slowing down of thought and slowing down of physical movement. The posture is going to change, the body movement is going to be very slow. It's as if the person is moving in slow motion. The next symptom is very less energy, lack of energy, fatigue. Next symptom, feeling worthlessness, feeling guilty. There is an inability to concentrate, brain fog, can't think clearly, can't make decisions. Okay, they even stop talking, social withdrawal, they stop talking to people, they don't want to talk to anyone, they will even stop making eye contact. And the last one, severe depression, is suicidal ideation, wanting to commit suicide, wanting to end your life.